Hello guys, good morning. It's me Jordan here again. So today it's Monday today, and it's cleaning day. I mean, we have to clean our environment every Monday. But today, Dulwa class have been given a huge assignment, big job. I mean, so yeah, let's go and.
मान्छेले बिस्तारै आदर नगरे बिस्तारै गर्नु हुन्छ आदर छैन कोर्स पनि गर्नु पर्यो नि भोलि ईद हो है लावा मान्छेले कसरी आइपुग्यो यस्तो देश दिएर आमामा यस्तो काम गरेर अन्त चला हुन्छ नि हाय भोलि ईद रे ईद ओए साम ओए यो चाहिँ पक्कै सिलगढीदेखि मगाए जस्तो देख्छ त कतै निमु जल्दै कि मारा न
Have fun, guys, have fun. Life is too short to be stressed. Have fun. Have fun in whatever you do. And yeah. Hello guys. The weather was good earlier, but right now it's raining. It's foggy. It's foggy everywhere. Yeah, this is how our lava is. I know that for some people it is not good weather, but for us, we have been staying here for a decade, and yeah, it's good. It feels good. Yeah. So it's raining, so I went to my room to pick up my raincoat. So now we will work again. We will continue our work. We have to finish our work, so yeah, let's go. guys, it's raining and we are still working. Yeah, we have finished it before 11:30 a.m. So yeah, so after that we have to go and have our lunch. So yeah, we are tough guys, so yeah, we can do it.
Hey broker. 휴지가 저번에 쏘는 방법을 봐야지. Give me one, please.
Little frog, little frog.
한번 개발해 방스. 왜? 내가 하나 운전 린자 와. 내가 처리만 안 하나. 연예인.
Kiss me too much, Yomare.
여와라. 제가 커피 एकले गरेको आजको पनि
힘든 나가는 계속
하나님 연락이야.
와.
खरीदी को लगा कर
So guys, as you saw the video, we have cleaned these walls. It took us like 5 to 6 hours, I think, and so after a few weeks or a few days, they are going to paint it, and it will look like new. So yeah.